Hello YouTubers, and I am the bird lover, and I'm going to play Birdland 2.0. And this is my cage. I'm trying to breed those two, but everyone else is a baby. That's the first bird, third, second, and fourth. And there's that hawk might want to eat that guy, and that guy. And that, him are all babies still. And if you want to find me on Birdland, I am called YouTube User. I really don't know why, I just put my name like that for no reason. And I'm new on Birdland, so that's why I'm on only level 3 there. And I was thinking like after, because I have, these are the birds I have. I have green bungee, him, I have the hawk, I have and those two birdies. So I got blue bungee, which is right there, green bungee, which is right there, red bungee, which is right there, and the hawk. And once I'm on level 5, which is, I have to unlock this cage at level 5, I'm gonna like make that new cage. And yeah, if you want to be my friend on Birdland, you can. And yeah, bye.